deal with the aloe vera in Jamaica. The original way. Yeah. All the benefits of the eat the skin, everything. Natural. Clean out the insides. Feel a vibration.
Alright.
Rastafari.
Yeah. When you get a come, take care of yourself and don't be a punk.
Bam bam bidam bam, sound behind them. Bam bam bidam bam, sound the eagle. Bam bam bidam bam, put on the trish dog. Bam bam bidam bam, sound the rifle. Bam 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 bam.
Ready?
Paradise Hill Jamaica lifestyle.
Full of vitamin, full of mineral, full of calcium, good for the bones, good for the ear, and good for the nervous system. The sour sap. So we mash it up when we're not juicy. Stop it.
Me not telling no lie, me love everything curry. Curry shrimp, curry chicken, curry goat, curry potato, curry chickpeas. Once you say curry, you call me name. And of course, today's menu item is curry chicken and white rice. Y'all, if you haven't seen part 1, make sure you pause and go watch that video because I show you guys all the seasonings that I use to season my curry chicken. Please don't come over here and tell me how to season my chicken. Everybody season them chicken differently. And guess what? I'm going to use whatever seasoning, spices, whatever I want, will suit on the sorrow. Do that and be happy. Over here, this is how I choose to do it. Anyways, let's get down into it. Me tell myself, come over here, so I'm going to show them the measurements, them, right? What a way me lie. Because as a true Jamaican, we don't use measurement. But just throw a little bit of this, throw a little bit of that until my ancestors them tell me be careful chat. Until my ancestors them tell me to stop. And that's what you see happen in the video, right? We just go in there now, mix it up with the hand and all these things. Take a piece of file paper and then we cover it. Since we not cook it right away, it end up going to the fridge and sit for a few hours for the marinade. Anyways, if you don't want to see how I actually cook this chicken, stay tuned for the final part. That's it for today. Bye.